Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about the orthogonal properties of Bessel's polynomial. The orthogonality property of Bessel's function is integral 0 to a jn of mu r into jn of mu dash r into r dr is equal to 0, where mu and mu dash are different roots of jn of mu a is equal to 0. Okay, in order to prove the orthogonality of Bessel's function, we are going to take the Bessel's differential equation, which is d square y by dx square plus 1 by x dy by dx plus 1 minus n square by x square into y is equal to 0. Now we are going to put x is equal to mu r and y is equal to u in equation, in Bessel's differential equation. So when x is equal to mu r, dx by dr is equal to mu and dr by dx will be equal to 1 by mu. And dy by dx will be equal to du by dx. This can be written as du by dx can be written as du by dr into dr by dx. Now we are going to substitute for dr by dx, which is 1 by mu. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by mu into du by dr. We need to find d square y by dx square also in order to substitute in this equation. Next task is that is d square y by dx square is equal to d by dx of dy by dx. We know that dy by dx is equal to du by dx. So we can write du by dx instead of dy by dx. Now d by dx of du by dx can be written as d by dr of du by dx into dr by dx. We are going to substitute for du by dx and dr by dx. Du by dx is 1 by mu into du by dr and dr by dx is 1 by mu. Therefore d square y by dx square is equal to 1 by mu square into d square u by dr square. Substituting all this, Bessel's differential equation will now becomes 1 by mu square d square u by dr square plus 1 by mu square r into du by dr plus 1 minus n square divided by mu square into r square u is equal, the whole thing into u is equal to 0. Now we are going to multiply throughout by mu square r square. We are going to multiply this equation throughout by mu square r square. So in the first term mu square get cancelled, in the second term mu square and r get cancelled, leaving r. In the third term here we will be multiplying with mu square r square, and in this term mu square r square will get cancel. So the resulting equation is r square into d square u by dr square plus r into du by dr plus mu square r square minus n square, the whole thing into u is equal to 0. Now instead of d square u by dr square we can write u double dash, and instead of du by dr you can write u dash. So that is the next equation, r square u double dash plus r u dash plus mu square r square minus n square, the whole thing into u is equal to 0. Now similarly, by putting x is equal to mu dash r and y is equal to v in equation 1, that is Bessel's differential equation, we can obtain r square v double dash plus r v dash plus mu dash square r square minus n square, the whole thing into v is equal to 0, where v double dash is d square v by dr square, v dash is dv by dr. Okay, now we are going to multiply this equation by v by r and equation number 3 by u by r. The resulting equations are multiplying equation 2 by v by r gives r u double dash v plus u dash v plus mu square r square minus n square into uv by r is equal to 0, and multiplying equation 3 by u by r gives r v double dash into u plus uv dash plus mu dash square r square minus n square into uv by r is equal to 0. Now we are going to subtract equation number 5 from equation number 4. From these two terms we can take r common. So from these two terms we can write r into u double dash v minus v double dash u. These two terms are written together, which is u dash v minus v dash u. Here it is v dash u. Please correct it as v dash u. Okay. U dash v minus v dash u plus this n square into uv by r plus n square into uv by r get cancelled, leaving mu square r square uv by r minus mu dash square r square into uv by r. We can cancel r from those terms, giving equation mu square minus mu dash square into uvr is equal to 0. Now we are going to find the differential of r into u dash v minus v dash u with respect to dr. Okay, so dy dr of r into u dash v minus v dash u is equal to first function into differential of the second function plus second function into differential of the first function, which is written here r into dy dr of r into u dash v minus v dash u plus u dash v minus v dash u into differential of r with respect to dr is 1. Okay, so now again we need to differentiate this equation. Okay, this r won't come here. This so r into d by dr of r into d by dr of u dash v minus d by dr of v dash u plus u dash v minus v dash u. That is r into u dash into differential of v, which is v dash, plus v into differential of u dash, which is u double dash, minus u v dash into differential of u, which is u dash, minus u into differential of v dash, which is v double dash, plus u dash v minus v dash u. Now these two terms get cancelled, giving r into u dash v u double dash v minus v double dash u plus u dash v minus v dash u. See, in this equation, for this term we have obtained this term as the differential of this. Okay, so instead of this term we can write d by dr of r into u dash v minus v dash u. That is written in the next step. For this term we are writing d by dr into r in d by dr of r into u dash v minus v dash u plus mu square minus mu dash square, the whole thing into uvr is equal to 0. Now we are going to integrate both sides of that equation with respect to r between the limits 0 and a. So integral 0 to a d by dr of r into u dash v minus v dash u into the whole thing into dr plus integral 0 to a mu square minus mu dash square uvr dr is equal to 0. Integral of differential, so that will leave r into u dash v minus v dash u within the limit 0 to a plus integral of 0 to a mu square minus mu dash square, the whole thing into u v r into gr is equal to 0. We know that Jnx is a solution to Bessel's differential equation. So y will be equal to Jnx. Okay. And since y is equal to u and x is equal to mu r, this equation can be written as, in the place of y you can write u and in the place of x you can write mu r. So u is equal to Jn of mu r, then mu dash will be equal to mu into Jn dash of mu r. Similarly for v, v we can write as v is equal to Jn of mu dash r. V is equal to Jn of mu dash r, that I have not written here, you please add. And then v dash will be equal to mu dash into Jn of mu dash r. Okay. Now we are going to substitute for u dash, v, v dash and u in this equation. Using this relation we are going to substitute for all this in equation number 6. So equation number 6 will become r into mu Jn dash mu r into Jn mu dash r minus mu dash into Jn dash of mu dash r into Jn of mu r within the limit 0 to a minus mu square minus mu dash square integral 0 to a Jn mu r into Jn mu dash r into r dr is equal to 0. Now looking at this equation we can see that the first term vanishes for both the limits because Jn mu a and Jn mu dash a is equal to 0. So we need not worry about the first term, it will become 0. So that now this equation can be written as mu square minus mu dash square integral 0 to a into Jn mu r into Jn of mu dash r into r dr is equal to 0. But in the beginning it was told that mu and mu dash are two different roots of Jn of mu a. So mu is not equal to mu dash. Then mu square minus mu dash square will not be equal to 0. So in order to satisfy this equation, the only possibility is integral 0 to a Jn of mu r into Jn of mu dash r into r dr is equal to 0, which is the orthogonal property of the Bessel's function. Thank you.